All right, this next song, it's probably one of the oldest songs that I wrote and still perform, and it's called Conspiracy Theories, and it's just about rumors. Rumors. Well, the fact is that I have rumors about me, but the truth is that you will never know what they are actually. I don't bite my tongue to spare other people's feelings. I have an agenda, sugar won't be slowing me down. People talk all the time, but well, are they actually saying anything? I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to stop and listen. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Don't waste your breath, wasting my time. I swear to God, it'll be the last thing crossing your mind. Oh God, please get your own life. I'm tired of postponing mine to set that record straight. Trust me, it'll never happen again. People talk all the time, but well, are they actually saying anything? I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to stop and listen. 'Cause people talk all the time, but well, are they actually saying anything? I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to stop and listen to conspiracy theories. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. I'm so honored that so much of your time is about me, about me. I'm so honored that so much of your time is about me, about. I'm so honored that so much of your time is about me, about me. 'Cause people talk all the time, well, are they actually saying anything? I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to stop and listen. 'Cause people talk all the time, well, are they actually saying anything? I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to stop and listen to conspiracy theories. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh. 'Kay. I wrote that fresh out of high school and full of angst. All right. So this next one, I'll make sure. I tune because I care. This next one is called Frigid Waters. And I wrote this about anger issues. Oh yeah, I'll be much better. Cool. like frigid waters. See it in my face, hear it in my tone. I don't hide it well. But one day it'll become bigger than all of us. When that time comes, remember who I was, not who it took. I got that bitter attitude, my friends think I'm rude. I'll just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Got that bitter attitude, that unfiltered truth. I'll just keep swimming in my frigid waters. Try pick up the rose, get cut if you get close. You know it's not my fault. I've been sad for so long, only daggers off my tongue. The doctor says I'm long gone. Oh, 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 oh. I've got that bitter attitude, my friends think I'm rude. I'll just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Got that bitter attitude, that unfiltered truth. I'll just keep swimming in my frigid. It's so cold in my frigid waters. Father's daughter, I'll put away a bottle before I say sorry. This anger inside keeps me alive. I'm the life of the party. You want me on your side. Yeah, I'm the life of the party. 'Cause I got that concrete for skin. But if words do me in, I'll just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Got that bitter attitude, my friends say I'm rude. I'll just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Got that bitter attitude, that unfiltered truth. I'll just keep swimming in my frigid waters. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Time has come. It's my last song. I just want to, thanks for having me on, and all the peeps behind the scenes that nobody sees. So this last one, I put this out last year, which is so crazy to think about because so much has happened in a year, and just really it throws me through a loop. But so this song is called Duplicates, and everybody, I'm sure, is familiar with Water Street. Yeah, I'm sure. And so I wrote this about Water Street, but I'm gonna do it a little different. So originally it's kind of a pop rock kind of tune. And I'm gonna do kind of a sad cowboy version, because why not? I've been playing it for so long. You gotta mix it up. She's never been on a bender, guys. She's never sober. Caffeine queen, alcoholic Eve. Duplicates like her on Water Street. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa. my space dust higher than Mars. Black hole, don't know. Water Street shenanigans, grander delusion tonight. Mixing liquor like we're running out of time. Can't remember names, but baby I might. What's your name? Free drink. No, I didn't really care about you in the first place. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Oh, hell no. She's never been on a bender, 'cause she's never sober. Caffeine queen, alcoholic Eve, duplicates like her on Water Street. Irish exit ended up 2 towns over. Alter ego saying, honey, this ain't over. Lost card, next bar. But they say in this town, a smile will take you far. Mixing liquor like we're running out of time. Can't remember faces, baby, I might. Infidelity, so bittersweet. Infidelity, so bittersweet. You've never been on a bender, 'cause you're never sober. Caffeine queen, alcoholic Eve, duplicates like you on Water Street. Coming down when the sun is coming up. Mystery bruises sore to the touch. Vodka blackout, my memories like now. Well, I've never been on a bender, 'cause I'm never sober. Caffeine queen, alcoholic Eve, duplicates like me on Water Street. I've never been on a bender, 'cause I'm never sober. Caffeine queen, alcoholic Eve, duplicates like me. Duplicates like me on that forsaken street. Thank you.
Well, that was a really great and affecting performance, Em. I hope everyone at home enjoyed it as well. Do you have any final plugs for the people at home? Where can people find your music?
Yes, you can find my songs on any streaming platform under Emm K, and I'm in a brand new grunge band called ValleyKiL, so check us out.
Well, thanks again for a great show.
Thank you.
And for everyone at home, thank you for tuning in to Sounds of the Valley. Make sure to check out our other content at mytv10.uwec.edu or on our YouTube channel at UWEC TV10. As always, I've been your host, Evan Claymar. Good night, y'all.